Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So now let's take a look at this our gold, right? We actually did analysis for last week, right? That we predicted that our gold will actually give us a bullish move, and this is exactly the bullish move we had on our gold. We actually moved about 2% and 5.28%, right, this week, right? So our prediction, which we actually predicted and that we want on our gold, was actually correct, right? We also predicted that once we have a bullish move, a pullback should be made, then a bullish move, pullback, and another bullish move. This is exactly what we've had on our gold, right? So now let's take a look at what these movements will be made for this week. So in order to be able to understand these gold movements, we would have to start from the monthly time frame. So the higher time frame downward to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the monthly time frame. So these movements here, we clearly can see that this is a period of 2016, right? This our gold has been giving us a bullish move. We can see this rally up, movement upward, right? And again, this is the moving average, which is 10 period moving average. You all know once price is above the 10 period moving average, then it is a buy, it is a bullish move. But if it is below it, we have to go short, we have to short it, we have to sell, right? So this, for some time, this gold has actually been above our moving average, which has been giving us a bullish move. Then it got one time when price started ranging. So notice that this price actually came to this level here. Then we saw a rejection. The price actually came up to this same level again. This is why we actually rejected here. So you can see huge candlestick wick here, which you would highlight, and we will be taking it as our resistance level. Notice that this key level here will also be useful for us in the future. So just watch out for it. This level, we very much strongly believe that price will definitely come to hit that resistance level, but not now. And we can take a look at this level we highlighted below here. We can see that price has once reacted at this level here, which we saw it, which will be taken as our support level. This is it. Price actually came up right here to this level, and we had a pullback on this gold. Then we actually had a breakout from this gold, right? Right. This is one level price has reacted to. Then we saw price came to this level again, react to this level, right? We saw it rejected, it pushed it up. Then we saw price again. So it came again. We saw this huge candlestick wick here. We saw it rejected. So basically, we highlighted this level below, which is our support level now, right? So and we take a look at this movement on this gold. You see that for some times we can see it 1 month, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, for about 7 months. Gold has actually been giving us a bearish move. Then this month, which is November, we add this good amount of bullish move on our gold. So is this bullish move over? Well, I don't think it is over. We will continue to have a bullish move. At least we should be able to tap this, tap this 10 period moving average and even break above it. So I believe that this gold will continue to rally up. Let's see if this gold will definitely be able to take out this level, because one of the reasons is that we are seeing a huge massive bearish move on our USD index. Though don't worry, we will go into that later. So clearly we can see that this gold is now on a bullish move. So we might very much see like when gold pushes up, we'll get to a level where it has reacted to multiple times before we have a pullback. Let's see here. Price has reacted to this level multiple times. You can see that price has been bouncing at this level multiple times. So this will be a level of 1,839. So I'm still watching a level of about 1,000. Let's call it 1,800. So currently our gold is about 1,765. So we would want to see it actually roll up to about 18,000, 1,800 or 1,839 before we have a pullback on this our gold. So gold, we still have a bullish move to be made. So if you want to go long on the monthly time frame, then it will be the best time to actually go long, because we strongly believe gold will come, hit our 10 period moving average, even break above it and continue to roll up. So about weekly analysis about on our gold was actually correct. So now this will now take us to the weekly time frame, right? So this is the movement I want us to see, right? You saw that price as was rejected here, came to this level. We saw how it plays out. It went up, pushes up. We saw it drop to the same level again. We saw it roll up. Then price actually came to this same level again. Notice that price came to this level 3 times, triple times to tap this bottom, but it failed to break it. So that is an indication that price is actually failing to go low. So then we had this huge amount of breakout. So this is one of the reasons why we actually opened and closed, bullish that for the week that just passed, right? So this week that we are trying to predict for, we would also open and close, bullish. So currently we are trading at a level of, 1,765. So this gold, we would want to actually see it roll up to, for this level, for this week, sorry, we would want to see it go to this level where price has been reacting to multiple times. This is the level here. We can see a rejection here, played out one, two. We can see this rejection. We can consider this like a little false breakout. We saw rejection here. We can see price has been reacting here. So we strongly believe that price will actually roll up again. So we will be watching out for a level of, 1,800 and 39, or minimum of 1,800. If you can grab 1,800 on this gold for the week, I think that is be enough. Then if price move further up, then we should see it get to a level of 1,840. So gold, we are still on a bullish move. First of all, we should be able to take out this level here. We saw price once reacted here. We saw price dropped here, right? Then it pushes up. We saw price, one price broke below it, we had a pullback at this level, right? So let's see if price will actually give us a reaction at this level. This is a level of about 1,800. The level that I just talked about. We would want to see price, get to a level of 1,800. Then if you can have a little bit of a pullback on this gold, then we should actually see in another bullish move, which we get to a level of 1,840. First of all, we would want to grab a level of 1,800. So 1,800 is movement we would want to consider to grab for this week. That is one, and you can see this 10 period moving average. We all know how to trade this moving average, right? Once the price is below the moving average, we have to short it. So for some times, this price has been below the moving average. You can see this was a bearish move. Those who short throughout this period, right, actually made a lot. Now we can see that this price has now broken our moving average. It is even far away from it. So clearly we can see that we are now on a bullish move. We would want to go bullish no matter what. We want to look for a way to go long. So currently we are trading at a level of 1,700 plus, right? So first of all, we would want to go long, take out a level of 1,800. Then if price breaks further and move up, then we should be able to see it get to a level of 1,840. So first of all, again, I'll say it again, 1,800 is a level we should try and grab this week, which we strongly believe price will actually get to for the week. So you can see it now. We are now on a bullish move. Price is now above our 10 period moving average. You can even consider this like an uptrend move. You can consider this movements up, correction, then we can see this as a new movement. So let's hope if price gets to a level of 1,800, right, which is a very key level, right, we should kind of see a little bit of a pullback. Then price should roll up again to a level of 1,840 for the week. So weekly time frame, we are on a bullish. Notice that the monthly time frame is now giving us a bullish move. So weekly time frame, we clearly can see that this is now on a bullish move. Now let's take a look at what this daily time frame says. So we clearly can see that you can see that price has also reacted to this level here. This is one of the reasons why I highlighted this level. We saw price rejected at this level, right? We saw it's rejected at this level, right? We also saw it's rejected at this level. Thereby it gave us a pullback, right? So we kind of watch out for this level for the week. And this is one of the reasons why we had a little bit of a pullback. So we kind of had price come to this level, then a little bit of a pullback, because once price react to a level previously and price get to that same level again, price will definitely react there again. So this is one of the reasons why we had a pullback on this gold. Now we are now on a bullish move on this gold. So the next level we clearly can see is this level here. We can see this level. Price has reacted here, right? We saw price reacted at this level twice. We saw it three times, right? So we would want to see this gold kind of roll up, come to this level, then kind of give us a pullback, a little bit of a pullback before it continues to go bullish. Notice that this level here that I've just highlighted that we would want it to get to first is about 1,800, right? So we would aim for a level of 1,800 on our gold. Secondly, we can see that this gold is above our moving average. So notice that I think from the monthly time frame, gold has been above. No, from the weekly time frame. Sorry. So weekly time frame, gold has been above our 10 period moving average. So it is a buy. No, daily time frame also, it is also a buy. So we are to go long on this our gold. And if you notice, I've noticed something is that once we have a bullish move on our USD index, right? USD index, which is our DXY, we tend to have a bearish move on our gold. But once we start having a bearish move on USD index, right? That is when we start having a bullish move on our gold. You know, those of you that know that those correlation, you should be able to understand this movement. Once there's a strong bullish move on this our USD, we tend to have a bearish move on this our gold. So clearly we can see all the news that has been released for some times now. This is one of the reasons why our DXY have been falling. So we're very much likely to even fall, drop to this level, right? So this DXY, we are currently at a level of 105. We want to see it drop to a level of 104, possibly break below it and continue to a level of 100. So let's see if we can be able to hit a level of 100 in 2-3 weeks on our DXY. We should be able to hit it within 2-3 weeks, like I'm saying. So DXY still on a bearish move. So as DXY is still bearish, then we would continue consider to go bullish. So let's see if this DXY can first of all drop to this level. Yeah, as we are all aiming for. This is a level of 104, right? So once this DXY, which is USD index, drops to this a level of 104, we would see a bullish move on this our gold to USD, which is a level of 1,800. Then once this DXY is kind of giving us like a pullback, maybe like a rally movement upward, we are on a bearish move, right? Of course, once we have a drop, a pullback should be made. So once this DXY drops and it's giving us a pullback, then we should expect a bullish and bearish move on this our gold, right? So then once this DXY continues its bearish move downward, then we should continue our bullish move on our gold. So above all, gold, we are still on a bullish move. So first of all, again, we should get to a level of 1,800 first of all. So before we consider going to a level of 1,840. So DXY is still on a bullish move. Now to place this trade, we would love to go to the 4-hour time frame. So what does the 4-hour time frame says? Still on a bullish move. Assuming this 4-hour time frame is on a bearish move, the suggestion or the advice would be that to actually stay away from the trade if it is on a bearish move, right? If this 4-hour time frame is giving us lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, it will we will just advise ourselves to just stay out of this trade. But it is giving us a bullish move. Notice on weekly time frame we are to consider to go bullish. Daily time frame we are also want to go bullish, and the 4-hour time frame that we would want to place this trade, we should also see it on a bullish move. If it is on a bearish move, then we would stay out of this trade. But clearly we can see this is on a bullish move, one, and it is above our 10-period moving average. Since it is still above our 10-period moving average, you can possibly wait for a pullback and enter to go long on this our gold, or you can decide to go long and possibly kind of have a good range of stop loss, whereby so if in case this gold decides to give us that good amount of pullback, you will not be taken out of this trade, right? So, or you can possibly wait once the pullback enter, then it will be a good opportunity, or set up to actually enter and go long on this gold. So 4-hour time frame, we are still on a bullish move. Currently we are at a level of 1,765. Let's hit a level of 1,800 this week on DXM gold for the week. And now let's see what this 1-hour time frame says, by the way. So still on a bullish move, you can see it, right? So we can see that this gold is still on a bullish move, right? So you clearly can see this is a bullish move. Let's see if this gold on the 1-hour time frame will come to test this level, possibly this level. Who knows, if possible it will drop to this level, and if not, if it does not drop to this level of 1,747, we should see it drop to a level of 1,756. So within these two level here, you can enter to go long on this gold. So if price can drop to this level, you can consider to go long, and if you want to be patient enough, then you can see it drop to this level and you will go long on this gold. So gold for the week, we are still on a bullish move and we would want to go bullish. So do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and make your comments by the way.